everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Chill Pill, and today we want to learn how to make chains. To start making chains, we need to make a slip knot, so I will tell you 2 ways to do it. Take the free tail of the yarn in your hands and wrap the tail around your index finger. Take the left strand and cross it over the right one and do it once again. And here we go! You can open it easily by pulling 2 strands. The second way is, take the free tail of the yarn in your hand, put the right one on the left one and take it to the back of the loop and pull it with your hook. And this one also opens easily. Now let's see how to make chains. To make a chain, after making a slip knot, yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. This is our first chain. And don't pull it too loose or too tight. Again, yarn over, pull it through the loop. And repeat the process to make as many chains as you want. Every chain has a V shape, which has an upper and a lower loop. And if you turn it a little bit, you'll see a back loop. And you can make your stitches in back loops or in upper loops. But if you want to have a nice and clean work, you'd better make your stitches in back loops. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. See you in next videos.